In this video, I'll show you how to convert a number into an array of its digits. So this exercise takes a number, for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and converts it into an array that looks like the following. We'll use the string prototype split method to solve this task. So the function is going to be numToDigitsArr is going to take a num, and I'm going to declare a few variables. So numToStr is going to be num.toString. Okay, then I'm going to set str to char array is equal to num.toStr.split. And finally, I'm going to set the digits ARR and assign to it the following code. So str to char arr.map. So I'm mapping a char to plus char. And this is a little trick that will allow me to convert strings to numbers. And now I can finally console.log digits ARR, that is, return the digits ARR. Let's now try this out. So I'm going to run numToDigitsArr, and let me pass in the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I made a slight mistake here. So now this actually works. So the number of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 gets converted to an array of digits. A simple exercise, but I think quite useful, and you'll probably learn something that you haven't known before.